Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, you will learn how to make your files online only in your Dropbox account. So let us get started. So for example, guys, let's assume you're using a Mac and you would like to save some storage or space on your computer. So now you would like to keep all of your files and folders here on Dropbox online only. There's a simple feature you may enable to make that happen. So what you want to do, guys, really quickly to not waste your time is simply head over to dropbox.com, and after that click on that profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings, and from the drop-down menu select settings here, and inside your account settings make sure that you switch to the general tab, and here in the general tab scroll all the way down till you get to the personal account settings here and preferences below. And here at the bottom of the preferences, you will see an option called Online Only Files on Mac. So guys, by enabling this option here to the right, you will allow yourself to, for example, make files and folders not waste space or take up space on your hard drive, according to this information here, but be stored online in your Dropbox account only. So simply do that by clicking on or by switching it on here, and after that confirm by clicking on update here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. As you can see, that change has been updated and applied instantaneously. So that's how you make your files online only on Dropbox. Thanks for watching and see you next time.